In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this account is not allowed on WhatsApp due to spam problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open your internet browser and in the search bar type whatsapp.com. Click on these three horizontal lines and then click on get in touch. Click on this contact us option in blue color. Now scroll down and here you will be required to fill out a form. So first enter your country code and after that enter your phone number that is blocked. Once you have done that, you need to enter your email address and then once again confirm your email address. After that, for this question that says how do you use WhatsApp, so select the device on which you are currently using WhatsApp. I'm using an Android, so I'll go with Android. And then in this final box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. And once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on this next step option. And once you click on it, you will receive a response from WhatsApp on your given email address and your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.